The story of the Battle of Badr defending the city. Date: 17 Ramadan 2 AH corresponding to March 13th, 624. On a quiet night in Medina, a Muslim rushed through the alleys of the city to inform the Prophet Muhammad PBUH of the news of the approach of the Quraysh army to the area of Badr, carrying with him tension among the Muslims who felt the imminent danger. At that time, the Prophet PBUH decided to hold a meeting with the senior companions to consult and determine the steps to confront the great danger. The next morning, the Prophet PBUH called on his companions to prepare and get ready for the confrontation with courage and steadfastness. The Muslims' preparations began with the participation of everyone. The young men were training outside the city and learning the arts of fighting, while the women were providing food and supporting the fighters, which strengthened the spirit of unity and solidarity among all members of society. At dawn on Friday, 17 Ramadan, the second year of the Hijrah, corresponding to March 13th, 624, the Quraysh army arrived at the area of Badr and stood in their ranks ready for battle. In contrast, the Muslims took their positions with steadfast hearts and strong faith despite their small numbers. At the beginning of the battle, the Muslims faced the Quraysh army with unparalleled courage, defying the numerical superiority and the strong equipment that was in favor of the Quraysh. During the fighting, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, prayed to Allah asking for victory. This prayer affected the hearts of the Quraysh army with unparalleled courage, defying the numerical superiority and the strong equipment that was in favor of the Quraysh. During the fighting, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, prayed to Allah asking for victory. This prayer affected the hearts of the Muslims and filled them with pride. The Muslims returned to Medina with pride and honor, where the people of Medina welcomed them with joy and welcome, in appreciation of their sacrifices in defending Islam and supporting the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. The Battle of Badr was a turning point in the history of the Muslims, and confirmed the importance of faith and sacrifice for a just cause.